question for this episode is, what is the Microsoft Cloud Partner Program?
If there's one thing in life we can count on, it's change. Isn't this just a rebranding of the Microsoft Partner Network?
It's a bit more than just a rebrand, but yes. So MPN, or the Microsoft Partner Network, is now MCPP, or the Microsoft Cloud Partner Program. It's a reset of the program, a streamlining of some aspects, and a stronger focus on the cloud.
Microsoft regularly adjusts and refines their channel strategies, usually when there's a major leadership change. When Rodney Clark took over Microsoft's corporate vice president of channel sales and picked up at the mantle of the channel chief, we expected there would be some changes. So, what are the big takeaways from this reset of the channel program?
Aside from the rename from MPN to MCPP, which, by the way, MCP is the Tron, but anyway, I'm a nerd out on the Tron references. But there are three main areas that partners need to read up on and become familiar with. Obviously, there's a lot of detail to go and understand, but really the three things we'll focus on: first, a change to partner certifications; second, cloud based productivity suite price changes; and third, the new commerce experience for seat based offerings.
Ooh, that sounds very fancy, and that's quite a bit of ground to cover.
And yeah, there's a lot of detail behind it. So definitely want to take the time to read through and understand potential impacts on your business. But let me provide just some of the highlights around these three areas. So, first, on partner certifications, gold and silver status are being replaced by specializations and expert programs. All focus around six service areas within Microsoft Cloud. You'll have business applications, modern work, security, Azure data and artificial intelligence, Azure infrastructure, and Azure digital applications innovation. So, partner performance against these six service areas will be measured by a new telemetry based partner capability score, or PCS, that looks at partner performance, skilling, as well as customer success, like adoption. So, that's pretty important. On the topic of cloud based productivity suite price changes, monthly user charges are increasing anywhere from $1 to $4 per user per month, depending on the plan.
Oh, and this is the first change to pricing we've seen in some time, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a while, and honestly, I'm not surprised. In fact, I think it's fairly reasonable increase given the value within each SKU. But again, to each their own, and you know what you're charging your customers, and you know the impact of that pricing change. Finally, we have the third area, the new commerce experience, or NCE, for seat based offerings. So, what Microsoft is doing here is they're trying to streamline licensing from 20 options down to three. So, the three buckets are a CSP partner breadth motion. So, it's tracking through a dashboard, its ability to schedule seat counts, to log automatic term renewals, SKU conversions, all those activities. The second is an enterprise motion, and the third is a self service motion. So the goal is to simplify partner and customer software licensing. And some smaller CSPs, and this is something why you need to understand the impact to your business, are giving up direct access and working more closely with their distributors to save the headaches.
Oh, of course, and these three items sure don't cover all the changes, with the MCPP rebrand. But hopefully it gives our partners a quick snapshot on what is changing and where to get started in their education process.
Exactly.
Thanks for those details, Christian. And for those Microsoft partners who are watching, if you've not already done so, please join AvePoint's partner program by going to avepoint.com/partners.